Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to use millets. Why millets? Because millets is much more healthier than rice. You can use quinoa, but today the recipe is with millets. So I will show you how to use millets. You can use this recipe for breakfast, lunch, dinner as per your choice. So I'm going to show you two flavors. One is sweet, one is savory. Sweet one is suitable for children. For adults, you can use the savory one. So after fermenting the millets, the anti-nutrients in millets will be broken down and our body will be able to absorb all the nutrients from millets. And also we will get the good bacteria from the fermentation. So this way the millets will be probiotic rich. So without wasting time, let me show you how to make probiotic rich millets. you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will see you again with lots of fermented food and drinks recipes.